here we are, getting ready to go. It's 80 degrees out, and she's got her attire on. Got a coat and got a hood.
She makes fun of me all the time, but I'm freezing all the time.
She gets cold all the time.
If you know why that might be, comment below.
I know why, because you lost all your weight. You lost, what, 100 and some pounds?
I've lost a lot of weight. I'm the smallest I've ever been. I weigh about 132, and I think I started out on my bike riding trails at about 185. But I lost weight before that too, so.
Yeah, because you used to be over, what, over 300?
At one time.
Yep.
So
Now she's looking good.
132. What did you say it was this morning? 132 or 133?
Yeah, 133, I think.
Yeah, 133. Sorry.
But she's getting herself all prepared here. Got her hood on and has her mosquito net on. She don't like bugs in her face.
I don't. I can't stand those little bugs. They're in a
swarm?
Yeah, a swarm. And you go through them and it's like popcorn. And I can't stand it. It's like I gotta have my net. So anyway, I'm at 1,727 miles. So 1,727 miles is pretty good since the last part of October. And we're into June.
All right.
Okay, bye. I'm going. Gotta get going here. My daughter left me in the dust. See ya. Bye.
So how you like your bike?
I love it, and Abby loves it too.
Abby's riding her there.
Yep, we love our bike. She knows. Want to go bike riding? Want to go bike riding? Abby, want to go bike riding? She knows when I say want to go bike riding, she runs through the door. So she loves it. I do too. Bye.
So how you like your bike?
I love it. I love it. At being 61 years old, I need the extra little power that this gives me. I don't think I could do it without it. I know I couldn't. Because when my battery runs low or runs dead, it's very hard to pedal. So, and I don't know if it's because it's a heavier bike or what, but I do love my bike. So stay tuned and subscribe so you'll get an update on my 2,000 mile that's coming up in about a week.
Alrighty.
All right. Bye.
Alrighty. Well, this is Papa Boucher, and I thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.